Hi there, this is Yogi Virendra Yogi. I feel so much proud to be an Indian and also feel so happy that India is such a great nation where there has been a lot of beautiful things. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam Atmar Sarvbhutesu Sarvebandhu Sukhina means the whole earth is our family. All should be happy. And every creature is just like us. That is the beautiful thing which the sages and saints and the wisest of the wise discovered. And this lesson has to be learned by the world over all the great people, because we are here for a very short time. So every creature, as was said by Darwin, theory of evolution, is connected. We should love all, respect all, care for all, cooperate with all, and make the earth a beautiful place for everyone. But unfortunately, the ignorance, the foolishness, the greed, the anger, jealousy and cynicism of mankind has divided the world in different compartments. Nations were created for a smooth running the population of a particular community or caste or creed or whatsoever. But after that it becomes something, a power center. People start fighting, trying to encroaching, trying to be hegemonistic and disturbing the peace of the world. Now let's come to India, beloved friends. The head of the state of any country must learn a lesson from one of the wisest, Ashoka the Great. He was a monster. He killed, as it is said, some 99 brothers and dumped them in the Kadam Kuam of Patna to become the emperor of India. Patliputra was the capital. Similar was the case with so many great, greedy people who wanted the power. Ashoka the Great did not only kill all his brothers, but he also massacred a lot of neighboring states. But the Kalinga War was the glaring example where he assassinated all the male members, leaving only the female. And when there was a bloodshed, bloodbath, then the princess of that state came and challenged Ashoka the Great to fight. But as he was an Indian and the ethics is, a man can never fight with a woman. He has to be reverent, he has to be respectful. He refused to fight. And when the princess challenged him, he bowed and gave his head and requested her to cut his head. He was excused by the princess, but that episode, that incident melted his heart, and he started believing in non-violence, truth, justice, peace, and he started loving every creature, become a Buddhist monk. And he was so much transformed that he sent all his 3 children, Mahendra, Kunal and Sanghmitra, to the neighboring countries and they spread the peaceful, affectionate, compassionate, non-violent message to every country. Beloved friends, that should be the attitude of every head of the state like Ashoka the Great. But unfortunately, you will find in every country the head of the states are biased, prejudiced. They are not very honest. They have their caucus, they have their gangs, they have their supporters, because they are different parties in different countries. And so even their associates, the supporters are evils and devils. They are influenced by their attitude. I feel very sad in India also that things are happening. It is not an exception. And so, if there is some kind of problems with the selfish groups, maybe in politics or industries or somewhere, the head of the state let loose all its agencies to punish the rivals. I feel very much ashamed of such person. You must be remembering there was Panama scam. There was Paradise scam when some of the associates of the head of the state, the ruling party, Amitabh Bachchan, the son of Yashwant Singh, Jayant Singh, they were deeply involved, and so many other party cadres, people were involved in the two scams. Panama scam, Paradise scam, and nothing happened. Once Amar Singh challenged the then finance minister, who was the leader of Rajya Sabha, Arun Jaitley, when Amitabh Bachchan is going to be punished, when Jayant Singh is going to be punished. Then, as Arun Jaitley was a very wise and nice person, simply he wanted to avoid his questions and said that investigation is on. When things are very clear, action will be taken. What action has been taken? It has been taken, friend. Amitabh Bachchan was honored with the highest award of the film industry, Dada Saheb Phalke Award. That is the award of the associates of the ruling party. And now recently you see, the towering personality of India, the son of the soil, the history of that great man is from rags to riches, ordinary brave man of India who really wanted to do great service to the motherland. He started from ordinary construction company to become one of the great builders of India. Let the foundations of so many roads, transportations, hotel industries, and so many other power sector, airport industries, and everywhere he did immense work, great work. And then what is happening? Some rival companies who is linked with the ruling party wanted to defame that great personality. He sent some anonymous letter making some excuses and some kind of conspired complaints. And then the ruling party let loose all his agencies, the CBI, the enforcement director, and to defame that great man, lot of rumors and lot of findings they got, which are all false, I can tell you. It is impossible. Such a great man who loves his motherland, loves his fellow countrymen, who has served the helpless through various agencies, cannot do all these. And as I know, the ruling party head of the state is a Gandhian. He has come from the same land. And he has made 150th anniversary of Gandhi world famous by his song, Vaishnav Jan. And there it is. वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए पीर पराई जाने रे, पर दुखे उपकार करे जो मन अभिमान न आने रे, सहज लोक में सहुने बंदे निंदा न कने केरी रे, बाच काच में निश्चय लाके धन धन जननी तेरी रे. And he is the true Gandhian. Gandhi was a wise man, and he said, we should hate the sin, not the sinners. Dear friends, every human being has two parts: positive mental attitude, negative mental attitude. Positive mental attitude is truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence, wisdom, kindness, cooperation. Negative mental attitude is greed, anger, hatred, jealousy and cynical thoughts. Unfortunately, sometimes good is half bad, bad is half good. We can do mistakes. That's how it is said. To err is human. By default or by some irony of fate, some mistakes has occurred. There has to be corrective action. There has to be corrective action. Initiative has to be taken by counseling and by advising, not by unnecessarily letting your dogs to bark, to bite, to defame. Shame! Love our country and our fellow countrymen. India belongs to everyone. That's why the roaring lion is telling us strongly. We have got the right to speak the truth. The truth is this: all Indians are great. All religions are great. Everyone is great here. Focus on the vital points, not on the trivials. There is a lot of things going on. You see, that is not going to give any productivity to the country. The Ram temple construction is good. Make billions of Ram temples everywhere in the world. Make trillions of masjid everywhere in the world. But focus should not be on temple or mosque or church. The focus should be on eliminating all the ills of the country. Unemployment problem, illiteracy, malnutrition, ignorant population is increasing. There should be a beautiful shiksha system, education system to educate everyone, to learn yama niyama, non-violent, truth, non-stealing, controlling your negative emotions, making your mind pure, taking personal initiative, working very hard, and devote yourself to the building of motherland. Not on wasting time on making temples and mosques and everything. I will never agree, because I belong to the whole world. I am yogi. Yogi means who loves every creature, who loves every bird, fish, animal, plant. I don't belong to any one nation or any one caste, creed or any religion. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The whole earth is our family. So I urge the head of the states of the world, we can do some mistakes, but don't defame us, don't abuse us. And there is one man called Narendra Vivekananda. The Narendra Vivekananda has favored Gautam Siddhartha Buddha, and he is trying to defame Krishna avatar, Lord Krishna. How it is possible? Never do that. People know everything. Let's live together in perfect peace and harmony. Love each other. When I fall, lift me. Don't kick me. Don't abuse me. Shameful act! That way we cannot make India great. You have to unite. You have to fight the evils and ills of our society. We can do it only when we are together. Teamwork. Mistakes, it is natural things. Even nature do some mistakes. You see, so many earthquakes, so many tsunamis, so many ills happens. But we have to choose the right path. We have to correct ourselves. I tell you and conclude my talk with a song from Hindi cinema. यार हमारी बात सुनो, ऐसा एक इंसान चुनो जिसने पाप न किया हो, जो पापी न हो। यार हमारी बात सुनो, ऐसा एक इंसान चुनो जिसने पाप न किया हो, जो पापी हो।